Now from South Africa, let's get into the sea. More than 300 swimmers battled today at the Nairobi County Swimming Association Invitation Swimming Championships held at Moi Kasarani Aquatic. Kimani Luisa from Selfish and Andrew Gola are some of the swimmers who posted meet record.
Today I've actually had a good day. Some of them have maintained my time and some have reduced them. So I'm actually happy.
You feel like you're going to swim until you die.
It was very competitive, but I tried what I did, what I can.
Now this is the only 50-meter long course event that has happened in this country. Courtesy of Nairobi County Swimming Association. I suppose even you can see the Ugandans are here. I bet if we had put it together earlier or marketed it earlier, I bet even the Tanzanians, Rwandans will have been here because Kenya is the only country possibly that has a pool of this size. So we are very proud to have put together this event, and it has done our swimmers a lot of justice because we are mostly doing 25-meter pools, short course events. So this is the only long course event this season that has happened.
And finally, on matters football, the Gunners take on a Fulham side